Absolute Wealth. Real investors, real results.
Hey everybody, this is John Carter from Absolute Wealth. Let's take a look at the markets. We've got the quarterly quadruple witching this week, and this is very typical where we just kind of chop around and suck the premium out of the markets. You can see it's very telling that we've been stuck between 1450 and 1475 here on the S&P 500 index, as those are big option strike areas where there's a lot of open interest, and that's kind of where the premium erosion comes from. Now we've had a nice move, obviously, from 1400 up to this level. We've got a nice squeeze that's been in place here. What happens, though, is that pretty soon this is going to run out of momentum, and at this point I'd expect a slight kind of a downward draft here, and also a potential retest of 1400 if things get going. There's a couple of red flags here in the markets that I see. First of all is oil. So if we look here at USO, you can see that it's been hammered pretty hard, and oil, believe it or not, is a leading indicator for the stock market because all these assets are tied together. They're all correlated. Then a lot of times if oil goes, then it doesn't take much longer for the stock market to go. And another one I like to watch is Aussie yen. That tells us what the hedge funds are doing. Aussie yen is rolling over, and anytime it's rolling over, it's essentially showing that hedge funds are lightening up, and if they're lightening up, then you're going to see that transmit into stocks as well. For particular and specific stocks, Apple here, a classic kind of a pin. Looks like it's going to get pinned at $700 tomorrow. If you trade options, that's something where you can sell put and debit credit spreads right around the $700 level and just look for it to pin there. It's a good way to kind of extrapolate some premium from the markets, which is always good. Looking at some of the other markets, one here is gold. Gold here has been trading sideways, which is very bullish. I'd be aggressively buying any pullback back here into the 168.50 zone. Okay, hope that helps. You guys have a good night, and we'll see you at the next update.